Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Make sure your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and sits next to your iPhone. Once done, update both devices to the latest software so settings propagate correctly. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone, unlock the watch, and go to the My Watch tab. Touch General, then Date and Time. You're about to control how the watch receives time, not just display it. So keep both devices connected and do this step first. Next, make sure your iPhone is the authoritative source. Go to iPhone Settings, General, Date and Time, and enable Set Automatically so it uses network time. Then return to the Watch app, choose Mirror iPhone to inherit time and time zone, or select Set Date and Time to apply a custom offset on the watch. If you choose a custom offset, enter the minutes and confirm. Make sure Bluetooth stays active while the devices sync, because the watch reads changes from the phone in real time. To finish, inspect several watch faces and the world clock complication to confirm the time change took effect. If the watch still shows the old time, restart the watch and the iPhone. That forces a fresh sync. Make sure location services and time zone support are enabled on the iPhone, because network location drives automatic time. If problems persist after a restart, unpair the watch from the iPhone and repair it. That rebuilds the connection and usually resolves stubborn time sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.